Hi everybody! I have never shown you how I use the Derma roller for traction alopecia. When I got traction alopecia, I was so devastated. I did not know, but I wanted to share my story. But now my hair has grown back, I feel confident, and I want to share how I help my hair grow back with other women. I use a 0.5 Derma roller. Excuse my hair, I need to color my hair. It's not dirty, it just needs to be colored. So there's some grays mixed in with some highlights. This is where I had a bald spot. As you can see, my hair grew back. Going to use this Derma roller this way. So what I do is I roll 10 times, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 vertically. Then I would use horizontally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I would use this 2 times a week. So after I do that, I would apply, make sure you sanitize this, soak it in alcohol for about 5 minutes and rinse it off with hot water and let it dry and put it back in its case. Then I will use ROS, Hair Restore Fertilizing Temple Balm. It's best to put some cream or hair grease on your scalp before you apply the rosemary, just because it's pretty intense, so this will be more calming to your scalp. It won't be a shock. So I put the Temple Balm in my hair. I massage it into my hair. I'll just put some here too. I still use this. I had it since April and it's almost done. So a little goes a long way. Once that's in my hair, I used Rosemary. And I massage into my scalp. And that's it, ladies. Do this every single day. Apply the Temple Balm onto your scalp, rosemary, and use the roller twice a week, separate days. So I would say if you want to use it every other day. So 7 days a week, use it. If you use it on Monday, use it again on Wednesday. However, use the products on your hair every single day and night. I hope this video helped, ladies. And I hope your hair grows back. My hair is growing back, and I noticed when she braided my hair, I had a bit of a bald spot here, and I didn't notice that before because I was so focused on the bigger bald spot. So my hair was bald here, and it's growing back from using the Derma roller. So since I have this in my hand, I notice this. I'm going to show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You don't need to use pressure because you don't want to damage your follicles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Temple Balm. Rosemary. And my hair is growing back slowly but surely because I had a side part and then she braided my hair where my hair was being pulled because she braided my hair going around. So you see the side of my hair has grown back fully. No issues there. I have low porosity hair on my left and right side. I have medium porosity hair from the front to the back. So I have 4C here, high porosity, medium density. On the side, I have low porosity, low density. So that's it, ladies. I hope this video helped. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Bye.